Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the different fates of pyruvate. So, what happens? The pyruvate, which is formed in the result of glycolysis as in the glycolytic pathway, it is converted into acetyl CoA, and this reaction is catalyzed by pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. And in this reaction, one NADH is produced and one carbon dioxide is released. Pyruvate is actually a three-carbon compound, and acetyl CoA is two carbon compound, and this acetyl CoA goes into the TCA cycle. So the working of this pyruvate dehydrogenase complex and its associated clinical abnormality, we will study that with TCA cycle. So this is the one fate of pyruvate, and pyruvate may be converted into oxaloacetate, and this reaction is catalyzed by pyruvate carboxylase. And in this step, one carbon dioxide or one carbon is added to pyruvate in the form of carbon dioxide, and it is converted into oxaloacetate. Pyruvate is three carbon compound and oxaloacetate is four carbon compound, and this oxaloacetate may follow two routes. It may enter into TCA cycle, or it may enter into gluconeogenesis. In gluconeogenesis, it is converted into phosphoenol pyruvate, and this phosphoenol pyruvate follows back the glycolytic pathway and forms glucose. So this is the second fate of pyruvate. The third fate of pyruvate is pyruvate may be converted into lactate under anaerobic conditions, and this step involves the consumption of NADH, and this is catalyzed by lactate dehydrogenase enzyme. This is the third fate of pyruvate, and the fourth fate of pyruvate is pyruvate may be converted into acetaldehyde and then into ethanol, and this reaction is catalyzed by pyruvate decarboxylase. In this reaction, one carbon dioxide is released and acetaldehyde is produced. Then acetaldehyde is reduced using NADH, and it is converted into ethanol. And this happens in yeast. So these are the four fates of pyruvate. Pyruvate may be converted into acetyl CoA that goes into TCA cycle. It may be converted into oxaloacetate that may enter into TCA cycle or into gluconeogenesis. Pyruvate may be converted into lactate, or pyruvate may be converted into ethanol. So these are the four fates of pyruvate, and in the next reaction we will study TCA cycle in details. Thank you.